Encryption and Decryption. Encryption and decryption are important concepts in the field of computer security. Encryption refers to the process of encoding data in a way that makes it unreadable without a key or password, while decryption refers to the process of decoding the data back to its original form.
In this blog, we will answer the top 10 questions about encryption and decryption.
1. What is encryption? Encryption is the process of converting data into a code or cipher, making it unreadable to anyone who does not have the key or password to decrypt it. 2. Why is encryption important? Encryption is important for protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access, such as passwords, credit card numbers, and personal information. 3. How does encryption work? Encryption works by using a mathematical algorithm to scramble the data in a way that can only be reversed with the correct key or password. 4. What is a key? A key is a piece of information used to encrypt and decrypt data. It is typically a long string of letters and numbers that is kept secret to prevent unauthorized access. 5. What is decryption? Decryption is the process of decoding encrypted data back to its original form, using the correct key or password. 6. What is symmetric encryption? Symmetric encryption is a type of encryption where the same key is used to encrypt and decrypt data. 7. What is asymmetric encryption? Asymmetric encryption, also known as public key encryption, is a type of encryption that uses a pair of keys, one public key for encrypting data, and one private key for decrypting it. 8. What is end-to-end encryption? End-to-end encryption is a type of encryption where the data is encrypted on the sender's device and can only be decrypted by the recipient, making it difficult for anyone else to intercept and read the data. 9. What is a cipher? A cipher is a mathematical algorithm used to encrypt and decrypt data. 10. How can I ensure my data is properly encrypted? To ensure your data is properly encrypted, use a reputable encryption tool or service and make sure to use strong passwords or keys to encrypt your data. It is also important to keep your keys and passwords safe and secure. Thanks for watching.